So, and to play the violin, something I thought was impossible, but now I've learned one or two things to do. So let's try. Start again, don't stop, just continue. Oh, start again.
Let's start the video.
Don't stop.
Okay.
Yeah. We try again, don't stop. Try last time, hopefully, but I've been learning this morning, so this is not bad, and I learned how to strum it, whatever that thing is called, just about 2 lessons ago. So let's try again. Last take. You call Ganya? Thank you. Let me try. Angel, I'm trying something. Okay. Is your video showing?
Yes.